So, how does trekking look with group of strangers? Let's see. What's up, my beautiful people? Today is going to be a great day, and we are very often caught in our own lives, jumping from one destination to another. We rarely pause in our journeys to simply observe life. In my recent trip to Rachakonda, I realized what it is like to fall in love, not with a destination or its culture or traditions, but with the people. Yes, this is my first trip with strangers, and I'm really excited. Welcome to Rachakonda Fort Mountains. I miss you, man. How beautiful they are. The amazing thing about travel is it can bring you closer to people you might never come across. And we had a conference meeting at the starting point. Trust me, that is the most funniest meeting. And here we go. Our hiking starts now. I'm so excited, man. Back in the game. What's up, my beautiful people? Right now we are in Rachakonda Fort, exploring few things. After a few travel adventures. Travel tales are spiced up when you explore with bunch of strangers. Yeah, strangers. I've never spoken, I've never met, and now we are over here exploring great Rachakonda Fort. There are few, and here is the ultimate champion. Woo! People wonder that, do you really make friends while trekking with strangers? But trust me, people do make friends when they're gonna trek with strangers. You might wonder, that's not possible over a weekend or a day hike, but that's wrong. It is definitely possible for everyone. In this lap of mountains, people are more themselves. Careful. Hello. So you're enjoying?
Yeah.
So how was the trek?
Good.
Mm-hmm.
It is first trek after lockdown, so I'm really enjoying it.
So is this your first time with strangers?
Yes. So yeah, totally strangers out of nowhere. This is first trek.
So one more question, is there anything you want to say for female campers or female travelers? What all precautions do you have to take care, and what's the about trek?
I think based on my experience, at least I prefer to go with let's say reliable organization. Exactly. So at least I go with a feedback and then a reviews, because I think every time you cannot really cross check all the information, so sometimes it's your gut feeling as well.
That's
but
true.
I have
As a
karate,
female,
yeah.
You have?
Yeah, I have done karate.
Wow.
And I'm not joking, because I swim until state level. But in general, I think wherever you go, always have some numbers, at your shared with the family. For example, in my case, at least Shrikant's number is there already.
Achha.
Then when I was coming, I shared live location as well on the safer side, because they have not visited the place. So I thought, okay, it's good to share live location. Even when I sat down, I was looking for the connectivity, so I can send them the live location.
Everyone over here were different. All are different. But what united us was our love for travel. That's what united us. During this trek, you're gonna meet equally excited people. Those who love traveling, man. It started like this. Hi, I'm Bucky. What's your name? Hey, I'm Sonia. What's yours? And then followed with lots of conversations, non-stop chats. So our champion, our hero, and the most important person of this trek, Anna Chappandi.
Hi Bucky.
Traveling with strangers or traveling with friends? Which one will you choose?
Strangers.
Why?
You don't know, right? What are they and what are their energies and all. It's always fun and curiosity ఉంటుంది strangers. Washroom కావాలి, నాకు మంచి కంఫర్టబుల్ హోటల్ కావాలి, మంచి బెడ్షీట్ కావాలి, కాజీగా ఉండాలి అని అంటారు. కొంతమంది ఉంటారు నొమాడిక్స్, మంచిగా అక్కడ ఉన్నా కూడా హ్యాపీగా పడుకున్నామా, చిల్
అయినామా.
That's where reality.
Wow. So you get to know a lot of things when you travel with strangers. That's for sure. Just worried that strangers gonna cause harm when they travel, but it's not. No stranger danger. You can travel. There are a lot of people we never met, but if you meet, they become friends. Travel alone, travel safe.
So the game is everyone will first tell their name. After that, I'll choose one random person. He will come and say everyone in order. After 2 or 3 times, we'll change the order again. Okay?
Ganesh, then
Mahesh,
wait, Shrikant, Shravan, Garima,
correct. Priyanka Chopra, Shahrukh Khan,
Rakshit, Mahesh,
no, you don't have to say please.
Ritika and Mihir.
So after playing that game, I won after a lot of times. And we started heading towards another hill. On our way, we found this beautiful creature. Trust me, everyone got goose pimples. Welcome to the jungle. If you are sitting over here, if you are here, I'm so blessed. I met these beautiful people. They are really energetic. I'm so lucky that I have planned this trip. If you guys are wondering where did I book all my tickets, how did I reach over here with a guidance and proper tour guide and everything, you have to do one thing. You just have to go to offbeatcampus.com and you're gonna find all the details about Rachakonda hike. They're gonna guide you very well, and pretty sure here you're gonna have some memories, man. That's for sure. Don't forget to book.
Home with the professionals. Don't try at home.
Don't try at home. Okay? Oh, there is a donkey!
Pinky Ponky, father had a donkey.
I would like to say one thing. There are no strangers in this world, just friends we haven't met yet. If you had similar experience like this, please do share in the comment section. If you know anyone else who is hesitating to go on a solo trekking, do share this video. It's gonna help. Thank you so much. See you in the next vlog. Take care. Namaste.